Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a cross-handed catapult hip stop. Now to be fair, you don't really need to have done a cross-handed catapult or any kind of hip stop before. The one thing that would be useful is if you've done a catapult before, so link to that in the description below. So we'll just press on. So it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break it down. First things first, it starts off man's right, lady's left. So a straight grip, and to get to this position, the easiest way is to have done a move that would set you up for a two-handed move, like a travelling return to two hands, or some similar, or maybe an arm jive, or various other things you could do, and then just lose the left hand, which sets you up for that situation. The only thing you do want to think about is that the lady's going to be starting this move in a return direction. Okay, so you'd prefer to have done something in a turn direction first. So for instance, something like an octopus, where the guy goes in front, would have the lady ready to go in a return direction. That would be a perfect setup. So we're there, we're ready. Man's right, lady's left. We've gone back, and it feels initially exactly like you would if you were going into a catapult, except we're holding the other hand. So we start as if we're going into the catapult, but what happens, guys, is we keep an eye on the lady, and as she goes round, we take our left hand, pop it in behind, fingertips behind the lady's hip on the near side, so we can actually stop the lady from going too far. We take the right hand down to the right, so we get this nice big prep, and ladies, of course, you want to be thinking about styling your right arm. Okay, guys, if you sink into it, you're going to be able to get a little bit more length out of the arm, so you end up with something a little bit more interesting. We're then going to pull to start the lady coming back, and we're going to use the right hand to lead a turn direction motion for the lady. So as the lady's going around, she's turning right. We're going to go round for 2, preparation as we would for a Wurlitzer, return spin, and back. Okay, so knowing a Wurlitzer would be helpful too. I'll pop a link to that in the description too, just in case. So let's start from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back. So we are right to left. 1. Sweeping. 2. Blocking. 3. Returning or turning. 4. 5. Preparation. 6. Return spin. 7. And back. 8. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 and 8. We go a back, sweep, block, 1, 2, prep, a return spin, and back. And that is that. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video is something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.